This is YONGNUO YN600 RGB LED light. It's heavy rain from the storm today. Yeah, you can hear. Whatever. This is YONGNUO YN600 LED light, but it has RGB function. This is the latest YN600 light from YONGNUO. Yeah, my 普通话 is really bad. And then this is the light, and this is a remote control for YN600 and a back and a handle. The remote control is using two AAA batteries. And this is the one, and the second battery right here. And the power button is on the right. Okay. The light here, it uses 2970 mAh battery for this LED light, or you can use 2770 battery. Okay, and then turn off my video light and room light first. Okay, and then I turn on the light. The dimmer is on the left hand side, and then you can change to other mode, and then day and tungsten. RGB mode is on the right hand side. This is green, blue. Oh, I need to turn off green light first. Blue. Okay, and then red. You can mix your own color right here. You can use the remote control channel 1, and then this is off. Turn it on, you can see number right here. Okay, make it brighter, or and then this is tungsten, red, green, blue, or you can change the color whatever you want. You can even add some daylight or tungsten light. Even you are using RGB mode, it is a good function. Here, and turn off, turn on. A setting will be saved. Moreover, you can download the apps from the official website. Okay, and then you need to connect it with Bluetooth first. This one. And then the light, the Bluetooth light will turn on. And then you can open the app. And then channel 1, this is channel 1. Okay, as you can see. And then LED. You can choose whatever color you like here. It can change the number by itself. Like I put it in a more easy way for you to look at. Maybe in blue, pink, purple, green. Moreover, you can use this app to create some mode, such as flash mode. You can set to channel 1, flashing, and then save, and then you can pause it. But yes, you can pause it. Okay, I know. And then this one. It is automatically. Yes. Okay, this is the end of this video. Thank you for your watching, and goodbye.